y'all, bro. Let me get the GoPro and I'm going nuts. Literally, I'm going nuts. I'm about to meet up with some homies. We about to go to some races, do a little racing. Hopefully I get some good races in. I'm trying to show y'all what the Z about, man. But yeah, y'all about to see everything now. See, like with my G7X, man, it just wasn't it, bro. This GoPro, it's different. I didn't know how much I needed a GoPro until I actually got one, because like half of my interactions like literally happen on the road, and like it's just like instantaneous, bro. So it's like it's hard for me to pick up my camera and like record stuff when I didn't have a GoPro. But now it's just like easy money. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna pick this video back up when we get to the race spot, and hopefully I get some good runs in. Hey bruh, don't try to race me if you got an RT, a V6, none of that, fam. Cause you wanna know what's gonna happen? I'm really gonna do your ass, bro. And you're gonna be confused as hell. Like, come on now, bro, you're slow. First spot got busted. I seen a cop before people even got there. I looped just to link with some homies and they were already there flashing lights, so I don't know what they're about to do. I don't even know if I'll get any runs in tonight, but we'll see. Chunky, bro. That ETR fool. The new Supra over there, it's sick. Clay whipping somebody else's car, bro. Whose man's is this, man? Right there, acting a fool. I don't know what this is, bro. I really don't. Let me put my seatbelt on, man, before shit go down. I think we better go to some races. I'm not really sure yet. We got some cars behind me. There's another group ahead of us. So we'll see what goes down tonight, man. I don't know, they've been busting their races a lot lately, so by the time we get down there, it's probably gonna get busted, to be honest. I'm just mobbing right now to the race spot. You see, you got the Supras, the supercharged Audi, I think. Supra is pushy, bro. Y'all see him, bro. We literally just mobbing on the interstate right now. Nah, we're going to Mexico. Y'all ain't hear that. We're going to Mexico. That's where we at right now. Mexico City, to be exact. fast food. CTSV, and we got the Supra. We're gonna see who all races tonight, man. So me and the Supra, we about to do a run real quick. It's stock. I'm full bolt on tune. We'll see how it goes.
Okay, we're gonna do 20.
A 20 roll?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me warm my tires up real quick.
You ready?
All right, you ready? 20.
You hook.
Good run.
Hey, that's my BMW.
Right there. This dude got so many cars. So Z took the dub. Y'all seen it. Just a little simple 20-year-old. I think it's pretty quick though for stock. Definitely don't make 330. I'll tell you that right now. Definitely does not make 330.
I just got my guap. Ayy. Bought the whole store, bitch, fucking Supreme pop up. Came up off the drugs, now I'm turning my whole block up. I don't know that fucking pussy boy, he an imposter. Shoot that nigga in his fucking head, turn to some pasta. I don't rock with